Grinnell Glacier is one of the best hikes in Glacier National Park. It's scenic, full of unique views, and has the most iconic photo opportunities of any other hike in the park. Grinnell Glacier is located on the east side of Glacier National Park in an area known as Mini Glacier. The trailhead starts just past Swift Current Lake, and the hike is 9.7 miles round trip. It's a very moderate hike, and I've seen families be able to do this hike no problem. The best way to go about this hike in terms of taking photos is to arrive and start shooting sunrise at Lake Josephine Boat Dock. There's several different angles here, and it's a great time to walk on the dock, take photos of the boat, or prep yourself for the hike. Shortly after you leave the dock, you'll find a photo spot on the trail that lines up with Mount Gould. This part of the trail parallels the lake, and if the water's calm, you'll be able to shoot reflections on the other side. After you leave the lake, you'll start to gain elevation and head towards Upper Grinnell Lake. The landscape changes here, and you may see warning signs for bears in the area, so make sure to bring your bear spray. There's several other unique photo opportunities along this part of the trail, and a fun little waterfall you'll need to walk under to continue. One thing to note is that there are a lot of places to fill water bottles on this trail, so if you brought a filter, you should be good to go. The next and probably most iconic view of the hike is the rock outcropping that lines up with Lower Grinnell Lake. This is a popular spot to shoot and the last main spot before you get to the top. There's not many other unique things to take photos of during the last push, but once you find the rock pile at the top, you'll know you've made it. A short little walk down and you'll be at Upper Grinnell Lake. The lake is almost always filled with icebergs in the summer, and if you're feeling brave, you can jump into the water. Just be prepared, it's pretty chilling. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or send me a message and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.
I got one more if you want. Yeah. I need one more.